This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware. Make sure your headset and webcam or iPhone True Depth camera are supported and that your PC meets Vrchat minimums. Next, install Vrchat and the correct runtime, Steam or Oculus, and update headset drivers so tracking works reliably. Once done, install a facial tracking app like VC-Face or OpenC-Face plus any OSC or LiveBridge plugins. These convert face data into signals Vrchat can read. This step is critical because without compatible software, now you calibrate the facial tracker. Position the camera, set a neutral pose, and run expression calibration. Good lighting reduces jitter. Then enable OSC or the specific Vrchat output in the tracker app. Set the correct local IP and port so Vrchat can receive packets. After that, open Vrchat and your avatar's A3. 0 or SDK controls, import or map the incoming parameters to emotion blend shapes, and test mappings in a private instance. Doing this maps raw data to real avatar motions. Finish by testing face tracking in a private Vrchat world and watch lips, eyes, and expressions. Make sure movements look natural and responsive. If you see delays or stuttering, first check your local network and app frame rate, then reduce capture resolution or adjust lighting. These changes often fix dropped frames. If the tracker never connects, double-check IP/port, firewall rules, and restart both tracker and Vrchat. Finally, save your calibration profile and keep logs so you can recover quickly if problems reappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.